Gamma could.
This is a 6-shot. Ice tank.
Chat. Look at this GTR. This is my dream car. And it's my favorite color. I wouldn't want it so low to the ground, but.
This is the same one that we saw when we were at the gas station.
Is it? Is it? So cool.
It's just a bad wrap job. Horrible wrap job.
I just don't like how low it is.
Yeah, it's horrible wrap job. Look at all the.
You have a crowd around your car over there. I like this one. Plain simple.
It's a 25. It's brand new.
Oh, it is? So it's not plain and simple. It's expensive. Oh yeah, the front is different, huh? Chat, I want a GTR, but it's fucking expensive as fuck for what is it, a Nissan?
Altima.
Really? Don't tell me that. After I got my A3, everybody's like, you know that's just like the V-Dub Jetta? And I got in the Jetta and I was like, you're lying. Everything inside, everything looked just like my A3. I was like, you're fucking lying.
It's like Lambos in our Yeah. How much you pushing? It makes 13. 13? Yeah. I'm just trying.
I don't know what that means, but it makes 13. I know. I do miss the little spaceship. And then here's the one that's like it. No. The V-Dub. What is madre? Should I do the Stash and Dash? Except, hey, this is a different Stash and Dash. Come find me and I'll give it to you. At the Ivy Buck Car Show?
Yeah.
Is it car show or car meet?
Car show.
Car show.
This is cars and brunch, she says.
Oh, brunch sounds good. Chat. Which one? Blue? With the sparkles?
God.
Damn.
$1 million car.
Really? No matter where I go. The lot's not even full yet. Is it glow in the dark or what?
God damn, that's
Look at this color.
wow.
It's like a faded pistachio. I don't even know how to mint. Pistachio mint and green. Ooh, look at this one. Is it a 66 or 67?
65. It's all it. My favorite's the G-Wagon. It's hard. The Mansory. Because people usually don't have real Mansory. This is real Mansory.
Uh-huh. Look at that truck.
Look at it, who didn't show up.
Who? Wow, you're fake as fuck. I thought you were trying to get content. You're fake. You're fake. You're never gonna be famous. No, I'm just kidding. Don't worry. There's one every weekend. I get dragged here. Yeah, you're good. It's hot as fuck.
Oh my god.
We'll get media for you and pretend you're here.
Alright. Alright. Yeah.
What the hell is that?
Shaq's car.
Really? Are they like communicating? Oh shit, bro lost his shoe. Sorry.
Hey, you didn't see that.
The whole stream just saw that, bro. Pinche desmadre. You split the pole with people. Oh my god. That shit hurt my ear.
That's just the security guard talking to him.
Talking to him now?
What says security guard?
Well, yeah, because he's gonna burn the spot out. Puro pinche show, puro pinche show. Damn, security's on him. Is he getting kicked out?
Yeah.
He's getting kicked out. Oh shit. He's getting kicked out. Now get out of the way, baby. Girl got kicked out and left mad.
Sick as fuck.
Sick.
Look how big the brakes are on the car.
Somebody else about to get kicked out. Oh my god, that is so cute. Chat, y'all see this Lambo pink Hello Kitty bowl? Oh my gosh. Cracking. 11 o'clock. I have to be home by 1 because I have to go to an event in Malibu.
Yeah, shot at.
Where? Oh, I see it. Here.
What the fuck?
He got shot at. What were you doing?